Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to manage parental control on your Disney Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply control and manage your parental control on your Disney Plus, all you gotta do is simply go to your Disney Plus account. Now, to manage your Disney Plus parental control, you need to simply edit individual profiles to set content ratings up to TVMA. You need to simply go to your profile and tap on edit profiles. After you have done this, you can simply tap on the pencil like icon and turn your Disney Plus into a kids channel. These settings will allow you restricting your mature contents and preventing profile switching and limiting access to specific age appropriate content, ensuring a tailored viewing experience for your children. So this way it can be done. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos. We will be back again really soon.